This is the Ingreso Cybernetico review update video with your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this. I hope it has been a great day for you, great evening, whatever it is. I just really wanted to come here really quickly to show you some of the changes that have happened since my last Ingreso Cybernetico video. I've done a couple of them, but they have been months ago. So I was like, well, let me do a updated video just to kind of share with you guys some of the changes that we have had to come into place. So basically, if you are new here and learning about Ingreso Cybernetico for the first time, thank you and welcome. If you are someone that's looking for some information on Ingreso Cybernetico, I hope that you find what you're looking for, regardless of whether you're new or existing to Ingreso Cybernetico. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me and I will try to find an answer out for you if it's something that I don't know the answer to. So what is Ingreso Cybernetico, right? Ingreso Cybernetico is a smart online marketing software company. We have marketing software that businesses need to be able to market their products and services on or offline. Every business can use the products and services that we have here at Ingreso Cybernetico. We have over 84,000 members. We've been in business for over 7 years. We have some amazing products, right? And then we have an even more amazing compensation plan. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on either. I just kind of want to share a little bit with you. So we're pretty much going to talk about the plans just a little bit. So this is going to show you right here the three different plans that we have. We have the Bronze Club, the Silver Club, and the Gold Club. Each club has 3 different levels within the club, and you're going to be able to get, with the Bronze Club, you're going to get basic marketing software from anywhere. With the email subscribers, you get up to 2,000 and then 10 done for you digital products. What this does is this allows you to make money in your sleep. I will explain that once you join the team. It's too much for me to try to explain right now, but this is how people make money in their sleep. Then with the specialist, this is going to give you an easy drag and drop website builder, up to 4,000 subscribers, 15 done for you digital products. With these digital products, you can sell them and get all of the money, all of the commissions off of them direct to you. And then with the manager, this is going to give you the WordPress plugin, also the drag and drop builder as well, up to 8,000 email subscribers, 25 done for you digital products, and smart hosting. So the packages for the Bronze Club is $25, $50, $100. This is one-time pricing. And then there's going to be the Silver Club, advanced marketing services and software, right? So this is going to give you access to 3 different clubs. You get to choose the levels. At the $300, this is going to give you the ability to sell online courses. So if you have products and services that you like to sell and you want to create some courses to sell, give instructions or whatever, this is the package for you. As well as you get 12,000 subscribers, 35 done for you e-commerce products that you can sell. And then at the Vice President, this is going to give you the scarcity funnels, 35,000 subscribers, 45 done for you products. This is 500. Executive is going to give you a custom made funnel. Funnels custom made cost anywhere from $300 all the way up to $2,500 and even more, depending on what all you want in it. Our team is going to design that for you and build it out. You get 50,000 subscribers as well as 55 done for you e-commerce products. The package prices for the Silver Club is $300, $500, $1,500, depending on the package. And this is our advanced marketing services. Then for the Gold Club, this is where you can create your own software company. You get to white label our products, $3,500, $7,500, $12,500. And you have the IC digital product software, the smart member software, and then the autoresponder software. And this is going to give you more subscribers, more done for you products. And the cool thing is, right, is that the commissions that you get to earn 100% of the commissions. Depending on which package levels you start at, you get to earn 100% commissions for every other person that you refer. And when you share this with other people and they refer people, you get their every other person. I know that sounds like a lot of stuff, and you're probably like, how does that work? Please don't think about it too much right now. I don't want to kind of, overcook your brain right now. I don't want to do that. So just know that we have some amazing products and we have an even more amazing compensation plan. And this kind of gives you a breakdown in detail, with the different levels, as far as like what the cost is here. With the autoresponder messages, this is what's going to let you make money in your sleep. This is right here, the different levels, how many you get. And then the smart products, this is how many you get. And then this right here is the smart pages. This is showing you like for each level, the smart funnels, the marketing membership platform, the smart clocks, the customized done for you funnel, the customized business system. So this breaks down everything that you get. And then also you actually have a $30 annual fee for maintenance. No matter which package you get, it's $30 annually for the maintenance of it. And that's it. Okay, so let me show you an example of a custom funnel that you can get built. When you join myself or someone on my team, you're gonna get access to this exact same funnel for yourself. Basically, this is what a funnel is. This is something that you set up no matter what you're marketing, whatever product or service you have. I don't care what you're selling. You should be giving away some value to people who you're targeting, whatever your target market customer is. There's something of value you should give them. And then once you have something to offer them, they're going to enter their name and email address, and they're going to hit yes, I want access. And then they're going to get on your email list, and that allows you to respond with them. Like you can correspond with them. You can send them messages daily, every other day, once a week, whenever you're having promotions and sales. This is how you make money in your sleep, right? So with this being said, you're going to get access to this. And so I want to show you, like when a person enters their name and email address here and they click this, it's going to take them to this page right here. And this is basically me giving them an overview of what they can expect with our team. And then this right here is the overview video to show them how to create income with Ingreso Cybernetico and using our software products. I want you to see this. This is kind of going to break down how you get paid. So I just showed you the different levels for the clubs, right? So these are the different levels. It's $30 yearly to be able to utilize our services because of the maintenance. So if you come in at the $25 level, this is going to cost you $65 approximately, depending on, what the fees are for Bitcoin. If you do the 50 and this 25, it's $115. You can't get to a level without getting the previous level. So if you decided you wanted to come up to the custom funnel, it's going to be $25.50. And then if you want to do one of the white label products, it's going to be $61.50, $13,550, or $26,250. It just kind of depends on what you're looking to do. But the cool thing is, once you actually come to one of these levels, right, whatever levels below this, you're going to be able to earn 100% commissions of the levels that you own for every other person. So this is going to be you coming in at whatever level. And then the very first person that you refer, so if you came in at $1,000, the very first person, if you got someone to come in at the same level as you, you're going to get that $1,000 back. So now you are in the you're not in the red, you're not in the negative, you're now in the green, in the positive, because you got your money back, right? And so now when you share this with someone else, that next person is going to go up and start you over. It's going to give you 2 more empty spots. So what I want you to think about is every single person who decides to get started with our company, they are going to get a matrix like this, and it's only 2 slots, left and right. Every time someone lands in the left, whoever that person is, they get the commissions. Whenever someone lands to the right, it goes to start you over. And that spot right here, it rolls up to your sponsor. So if you're this is you. And then if you bring in this person right here and they bring in somebody, they're going to get this commission, but this one right here is going to roll up to you. And if it's right here on this spot here, that's going to go on, it'll roll up. But if you're right here, when this person gets this person right here, that commission would go to you. So I know that's a lot. I don't want to explain it on here. I just kind of wanted to give you an update on what was different. What the difference is in the videos that you saw is we don't have, I think at one of the videos it showed that we had a coaching program where you get a coach. You don't have access to the coach, but you do have access to myself and my team, where I'm going to be able to share lots of information with you on how to grow your business and build it, whatever you're trying to do. I'll be able to show you how to use our products and services for your business. Number one, we used to have a $25 or $20 monthly cost to be able to use our products. Now it's $30 yearly. We didn't have, at one point, we didn't have a 1x2 matrix. I think we had a 2x2. We didn't pay at one time in Bitcoin. We used to pay in USD fiat cash. Now we pay in Bitcoin. That is very powerful in itself. So I just wanted to come to you to do this really, really quick overview, just to kind of share with you a little bit some of the updates that we have. My goal for 2021 for this entire year is to create as much income as I can with Bitcoin, to help as many people do the same, to eliminate debts, to pay off houses, to pay off cars, to pay off student loan debt, to pay off whatever debts, and to be able to build a 6-figure plus savings account for a rainy day. That is my objective in 2021. If you are somebody that's watching this overview video right now, and you are looking to create income in your account, you are tired of struggling, you're tired of trying to figure out how you can make some money, I'm not sharing with you what you can do for the rest of your life. You can look at this as something to do until you can figure out exactly how to get out of the hole that you're in, right? Because everybody that has a product or service-based business, they can utilize our products. They need to have some kind of way to make money in their sleep. So these are products and services that you can share with anybody. Then I'm going to share with you exactly what we're doing to market, how we're building our team, how we're growing, and everything. So when you join myself or someone on my team and you get access to the Grow a Big Business system, you're going to be able to get a funnel just like this. And you're going to be able to be a part of our team. You're going to get access to the paid Facebook group that we have. You're going to get access to, we have a private Facebook chat. You're going to get access to everything that we have and that we're doing to show you how to grow a business, how to grow a big business online and make money in your sleep, and how you can earn while you learn. That is what you're going to learn with us. So I hope that you got some value from this video. Ingreso Cybernetico is an amazing, amazing platform. We have some really great software products that anybody, like I said, that has any business can use. I hope you got some value from this video. Please, please, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the next video that I do. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. My contact information will be on this video. And if you are someone that's not looking, but you know someone that is, please share my video with them so I can help some people, because my goal is to help as many people as I can here in 2021 to be able to create some real time and financial freedom. It's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess, signing out. I want to thank you, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.